welcome to this week's edition of NHIS in a Week. In the headlines, Speaker of Parliament extols Dr. Bernard Okoboy, NHI District Office receives new operational vehicle, NHI's Tamale South Office registers 300 SHS freshers. Now the details. Ghana's Speaker of Parliament, the Right Honourable Agban Sumana Kingsford Bagben, has lauded Health Minister-designate Dr. Bernard Okoboy for his forthcoming book titled Fellow Ghanaians, telling Ghana's COVID-19 story, a journey of fear, facts, faith, and fortune. The book provides a detailed account of Ghana's handling of COVID-19 pandemic, emphasizing the collaborative approach adopted by the government and society. Right Honourable Speaker Bagben commended Okoboy for his writing prowess and expressed pride in having such an intelligent individual documenting Ghana's pandemic experience, promising to attend the book launch at the College of Physicians and Surgeons in Accra on March 20th, 2024.
Of our young guys that have started writing, and it's very encouraging. We need to do something to inspire them, push them to go on, because we need to document everything that we do. History is the direction of the future. That is what gives us what to do in the future because of the lessons we learned from the past. And so it's another way of empowering and educating us. Unfortunately, we are getting it wrong again by marginalizing the teaching and learning of history.
Dr. Bernard Okoboy highlighted Ghana's pioneering role as the first country worldwide to document its COVID-19 pandemic experience comprehensively. He credited Parliament for swiftly enacting emergency laws to support pandemic response efforts and acknowledged the invaluable contribution of frontline health workers in the official documentation of the book. Dr. Bernard Okoboy's book aims to provide insight into the challenges faced, measures implemented, and successes achieved in navigating the pandemic, underscoring the importance of collaboration and resilience in overcoming such global crisis.
Basically, this tells some of the things that we did when the virus hit the world from China and what we went through and where we are now. So, Speaker, I'll confidently say that this book is largely non-political, if I'll put it that way. It looked at the facts and what we did. But as a PhD student, I'll be honest to say that no book is perfect. There might be aspects that can be critiqued and shortcomings that can be looked at. But the most important thing is that it captures a large part of the story and it grants the platform for others to also pick it from there. And so this morning, I am proud as a Ghanaian to say that we are the first country, as far as I know, to have officially documented her story as to what happened during the COVID pandemic.
Moving on, the NHI district in the Upper West region has received an NHI's branded Toyota pickup vehicle to enhance its operational capacity. Addressing a significant challenge of vehicle shortage, the handing over ceremony, attended by key officials including the Upper West Regional Minister and the NHI Regional Director, highlighted the CEO's commitment to fulfilling promises and supporting district officers. The district manager expressed gratitude for the gesture and pledged to utilize the vehicle efficiently for NHI's enrollment outreach, reflecting NHI's dedication to achieving universal health coverage by 2030. The NHIA mourned the passing of its Northern Regional Director, Mr. Abdul Latif Isahak. The final funeral rites took place in Tamale. It was attended by a senior management delegation and representatives from various sectors. Tribute was paid to Mr. Latif's character. He was described as God-fearing, humble, and hard-working individual. Prayers were offered for his eternal rest. A cash donation was made on behalf of the NHIA board, management, and Dr. Bernard Okoboy. The donation was to support Mr. Latif's family. This event followed a previous visit by Dr. Bernard Okoboy's executive management team to Mr. Isaac at the Tamale Teaching Hospital on February 17, 2024.
So tizan la Dr. Kubo izane, National Health Insurance Bambuza, Netakana, Untinye, Amani and Nusha.
Also in the news, in a collaborative effort between the NHIS Tamale South District Office and 3 senior high schools in the Tamale metropolitan area, 300 first-year students were enrolled and existing NHIS memberships were renewed. The initiative aimed to ensure compliance with admission protocols and provide students with access to healthcare through NHIS coverage. Additionally, students and staff were educated on digital platforms such as the My NHIS app and star 929 # mobile renewal application for convenient self-service. The heads of the schools expressed appreciation for the exercise and proposed its annual continuation to enable students to benefit from NHIS services effectively. Mr. Basit Suhini Mohammed commended the administrative heads for their cooperation and urged continued utilization of digital platforms for NHIS services to streamline processes and reduce office visits. To our final story, the NHIA organized a workshop at the Mariam Hotel in Tamale to educate staff from the Northern, Savannah, and Northeast region on the 2020 salary and grade structure. Dr. Sylvester Opong and Mrs. Joy Zampare, both board members, emphasized the nationwide significance of the initiative and its aim to ensure fairness in staff welfare. Led by Deputy Director Mr. Dixon Danso, the presentation focused on clarifying misconceptions and fostering a deeper understanding of career advancement opportunities within the NHIE. Participants actively engaged in discussions, offering valuable input and expressing appreciation for the initiative. Take charge of your health journey with my NHIS app. Download now for seamless access to healthcare services at your fingertips.
Hey, Swagger, what's up?
How far with your internship?
To be honest, I'm so nervous about starting this new role on Monday.
Oh, please. I know you'll be great at it. You should be worried about what benefits they have. Example, do they have health insurance?
I doubt they will have that for internet. But no shaking. I have NHIS already.
After you son a line, ting.
Ina, look at you. What are you going to do in the office when you can just download their app to register for an NHIS membership?
Yes, my people. You heard right. You can now download and register your membership on my NHIS app. No long queues or tedious paperwork. All you need is your Ghana card to register for yourself and for others. Once you register, you get a new digital NHIS card on your phone. My NHIS app gives you access to credentialed health facilities and services across the country. NHIS covers over 95% of disease conditions in Ghana. Access to healthcare just got easier.
Now let me sign up quickly. Miss Steph, I'm starting work next month.
Now, this is how we wrap up this week's edition of NHIS in a Week. For more stories, do log on to our website www.nhis.gov.gh or follow us on all our social media platforms displayed on the screen. My name is Jane Shermartin. Thanks for watching.